Hey guys, today we're gonna go through downloading and installing the DMSS app. Let's get into it. On your Android device, you're going to be using a QR code scanner. We will be using Google Lens as an example. Open Google Lens and select search with your camera. You will now scan the QR code on the DVR that says mobile client. You'll now follow the link. It will open a page that says download for Android. Click on that link. It will take you to the Play Store. Once you arrive at the Play Store, select install to install the DMSS app. Download will now start. The app is busy installing. Click open. You can scroll through the tutorial and select the arrow to continue to the next page. Read the prompt and select OK. The recommended region is South Africa. Select South Africa. Select Done. I have read and agreed to terms. Select Next. You can watch the video or you can skip ahead. We're going to skip ahead. And that was downloading and installing the DMSS app.